This 2021 Twilight RV Signature TWS 2840 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Twilight RV is 32 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, TV, spare tire kit, slide out, stovetop burner, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Twilight RV Signature TWS 2840 is 7,054 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.